Yes, so my country people agree to the Arsenal 2 and Tottenham Hotspur 2. We get Oga Emperor review. Bunge Arsenal fan and the Bunge person. They can tell us about how he see this game. Oga Emperor, your team don't play draw soup today for the North London Derby. How you see your team performance today?
Today game, Arteta and I cost today game. Because if Arteta make the right selection for this match, this draw we no go get am. Even when we play PSV, the game no be like this. You understand? Okay, we know say Trossard don get injury. You get Nelson, you for start Nelson right from the start of the game. The boy get bite. Now one winger wey you know say right from day one, he help us last season when we dey for a crucial match. He come from bench, come score your crucial goal for us. You for start that boy. Whether you not start the boy, you just select player just begin dey play the game like say Tottenham not sabi play, but Tottenham na come play the game with us now. At the end na draw we call draw. So today again Arteta na cause today draw we draw.
So what do you get to talk about the manager selection? Because substitution rather, you don't complain about the selection. Because you know, say some people talk say once manager don't put players for feed, if you know they go when you go observe, so okay, make I use the substitution, take correct one or two mistakes where they happen, or maybe get players when they play what you want to. What do you get to talk about Mikel Arteta substitution for this match?
Another mistake when you make na to play your two striker for this match. You get two strikers, you play the two of them, you carry Gabriel go play top, go play wing, or go play a Trossard wing, which is 11. And at the end of the night, you expect and say, Nikita, only Nikita will no fit run that defense line down for Tottenham. Now, if it prevent just one of the two strikers now could get injury before this match, now we no say yes, now one striker we get. Now we get two strikers, you play two. You saw the call tire for the match. You can't come on Gabriel. When you no say yes, now the only utility striker where you get when they fall back for your wingers to run. Your normal formation when they play, you not play. Now you make second half changes. Now you they bring it Harvard. We know say Harvard na fine player, but not this kind of game when you know say Tottenham where they play you out for the game. You go bring in Nelson early enough. Now you bring in Jorginho now. Jorginho just score now. I not go expect say they come on right for the game. I dey expect okay.
That's a right injury.
You understand? I don't see any signs say Rice injury, or maybe after the first half, so the injury don't occur already. So Rice will come out. But at least Jorginho not be bad midfielder. But at the end of the day, when he enter, I can just give Tottenham the upper and say at least Muna can take Moyo draw the match. No. Now he changes, Arteta changes and really affect us for this match. Even as I when we got the draw, I expect her to bring in Nelson. It could be like Arteta could do like winger as a winger. When the match was treated 18 minutes before you make your first changes. No, nah, you don't pass that level. You define goal, you know define draw. Any match you Arsenal they play, I don't talk about before. Any match, anybody you don't win and make you come out. Win and make you rest. You make your changes, you make sure see your midfield will call they compose again now. Odegaard get yellow card because of say go meet ref for first half, say one or two things, get yellow card. But you know call this I say, you know call be the mark, that pressure, not call deal on them again. Call relax. Because our Arsenal game normally, when the midfield hold the ball, the two wingers they run. And as they run, I be the counter game. But we not see anything that they play today. It not happen.
So I want to ask you about the title race. With Arsenal don't get two draws, they never lose this season, you know. But the team will be like saying that them be the pata of them or Manchester City. They don't win all their games. You think say Arsenal go fit follow them drag the way they follow them drag last season with what you they see so far, 6 match into the season?
You know, say you can't say it is over until it's over. The league just start. So if Man City don't win, there's every tendency to say they go lose, they go draw. There's every tendency Arsenal go lose, Arsenal go draw. To me, let's keep the ball rolling. We'll try. Man City not be easy side. Even Man U, what they talk about now, Man U they come for back. Man U if you wake up tomorrow now, they just win 7 straight now. It don't happen. Liverpool you wake up to win 7 straight. It don't happen. Chelsea now whenever Apple win, whenever Apple score 1 goal, we just score now win 10 straight. They just create something, you understand? The league still dey open. But Man City is not easy. If you fit catch Man City, if you hold them near body, it's better than I say they give you cap. So I just pray say Arsenal will try. We'll try to meet up, we'll cover the gap early enough.
So how you see that competition when they happen between David Raya and Aaron Ramsdale?
That one a strong one. I no lie for you. The two keepers are fine goalkeepers. It good say yes, they make some changes. They help them to balance the team a little bit so that you gonna know the two keepers their strength. So that when you meet some crucial games, when you meet some crucial big match, you know the right keeper to make use. Even Raya, I know especially that first ball when Man City played that time. I know especially he go save that ball. He come from behind because he doesn't say don't lose. In defense, he post the open already. I know especially he go run, come with that speed, come save that ball. That's a good sign. So even yes, rather than say clap for him and say yes, that's a good sign. Say yes, this guy they come up from behind. So it's a good change. Say yes. at least as they manage those two keepers, it's a good thing, not a bad one.
So what do you get to talk about Arsenal forward their strikers now? You think say the team or Mikel Arteta need to bring in one more striker for January because Edin Nketiah dey there, Gabriel Jesus dey there, Martinelli na person wey fit still play for there, Trossard fit still play for there. You think say the team need to bring in one more striker for January transfer window?
Yes, we need to bring in striker, we need to bring in midfielder, that's a sure plug. Because anything can happen. Injury, I don't see say injury in the cup for Saka. And if Saka get injury now, I not expect so we'll win straight 5 match. If we win, said na luck. But I believe so we'll still win. Because if Saka get injury now is a problem. Martinelli don't get injury now. Trossard don't follow. Then I just want 2 players just come out at the same time. So the thing get it day. So we need to sign striker, midfielder, and especially that defensive midfielder. And I think our problem now with this. You get striker, you get Balogun. Don't say the boy is a young chap. Give the boy some little opportunity. You understand? No, we don't say every player they hungry for football. But a guy you go manage the team. Even though the boy not play 90 minutes, the Arsenal already win. Or yeah, your play. You understand? You go get the boy one morale, say yes, I'm fighting for my shirt. You understand? You get midfielders, you get defenders, you just carry all of them, they send all of them, come not be so now. You get some kind of things, so you go keep some players, just keep them for reserve. Injury if you call, if injury come now, problem don't start. And as the injury now, it don't start to the come. Now Saka they will be fear for. If you get injury now, you don't red. When they say red, you red well. Not easy. So I hope we sign striker, sign midfielder. At least 6 sign to cover the games because I know they say they will not sign. Problem day. Big problem day.
All right, now, Guy Imperial, thank you for your time.